In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to tap on Display section. Then click on Motion Smoothness over here and tap on one of those options, High or Standard. Whatever you decided, when you're ready to save your changes, just hit Apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!